Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can organize your tasks in Asana, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm in my project on Asana at the moment, and I have some tasks already set up. Now, there are several ways in which you can organize these tasks. As you can see in the top, you have your general overview, where you can overview the entire project, the roles, the description, and everything, but here you can organize pretty much anything in regards to tasks. However, after that, you have your list, which is pretty much just a viewpoint of how you can view your project. You have the list, the board, the timeline, the dashboard, the calendar, the workflow. You have pretty much everything here. Well, the workflow is pretty much not aligned with organizing tasks. You can create forms that turn submissions into tasks, so you can organize it like that, but there is no way to change the organization of already existing tasks through this. After that, it's messages and files, which you pretty much won't need, but to organize in lists, as you can see, you can create sections, which can pretty much organize your tasks into several subsections, which might depend on the achievements that you want to achieve or the milestones of your project. You just click on add a section, and then under that section you just click add task, and I'll just make task 1-3, and as you can see, you can organize your tasks like that. Now if you go to the board, you can again organize it through sections, pretty much like you can on the list. However, on the timeline, they are separated by their due dates. As you can see, you can click anywhere to add a task. For example, let's say week 39, 22nd through the 28th of September. You can write a task name such as task 2-3, for example, and then you can click on it and then edit the estimated time, the actual time, and the due date. You can always just click on the due date and extend it, and that is how you organize here. You can also clear it, and as you can see, like so, you can just organize it. And if I go here, as you can see, the task is much larger, and that is pretty much how you can do it. The dashboard is very similar to both as well. This is pretty much just a statistic overview of your tasks, so you can organize them very much here, but you can see, of course, some organizational, well, analytics, which can be helpful for organizing, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.